The SEA60 is a battery-powered wet and dry vacuum that's part of our AK system of tools. It's ideal for cleaning around the house, inside of cars, or in your garage. The SEA60 is powered by a 36-volt lithium-ion AK battery and has a high suction power that is comparable to our SE33 corded vacuum cleaner, with the added benefit of being cable-free. The vacuum cleaner comes with a range of accessories, including a floor nozzle for cleaning flat surfaces, a suction nozzle with lint brush for car seats, and a crevice nozzle for tight, hard-to-reach areas. A 2.2 metre long rotatable suction hose and a 2-piece suction tube are also included. Plus, there is a power tool adapter for use with a jigsaw or sander. A PET filter cartridge and a filter bag is also supplied with the SEA60. For extra convenience, all the cleaning accessories can be stored on the vacuum cleaner too. The SEA60 vacuum cleaner is certified for dust class L, meaning it can be used for some professional applications. The battery compartment is covered too, for protection from dust or water that may splash when cleaning. When using the SEA60, you can choose between two different power modes. Simply push the slider on the handle to choose between the levels. Level 1 is the standard power mode, which is designed for cleaning smooth floors and extends the working time by up to 50%. Level 2 is the high suction power mode, which is designed for tougher tasks. A variety of additional nozzles and extension tubes for the SEA60 can be found on our website. With the recommended AK20 battery, the SEA60 has a working time of 16 to 26 minutes, depending on which power mode you select. To find out more, visit stihl.co.uk or your nearest STIHL approved dealer.